Hello South Africa. 20 killed and 68 injured in horrific collision on the N1, Limpopo. 20 people were confirmed dead and 68 injured in a head-on collision between a tour bus and a cash-in transit van on the N1 in the Makhado, Trichardt area of Limpopo. The gruesome accident happened on Monday night, February 13th. According to emergency service ER24, the bus rolled from the freeway bridge into the river below, landing on its left side. ER24 spokesperson, Ross Campbell said paramedics were on the scene at 20:05 along with the fire department, provincial EMS and rescue and several other private EMS services. Campbell said the scene was still active late on Monday night with several passengers still possibly unaccounted for. The exact details surrounding the collision are unknown at this time, however SAPs were also on the scene for investigations. Heavy rains had been falling in the area as it is still pouring in most parts of the country. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.